How to log into Myntra with email. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to log in Myntra with email. So for that, first thing you have to install the application. So go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Myntra, and when you are done installing, click the open button. As the application opens up, this is how it's gonna look like. So first of all, you need to select your store. So I'm gonna go with this one. After which you will need to click the profile from the top right, and then you want to go ahead and click on login/sign in. So you could see that you have to go ahead and enter in your email and enter in your phone number. So basically what you need to do is just go ahead and type in your phone number first of all and click on login using OTP. After which you'll need to just click on login using password at the bottom of the page. Now you need to go ahead and remove the phone number present right on top. Now type in the phone number email address that's associated with your account, and after which you want to go ahead and type in your password. And if you've forgotten your password, click on reset here. So when you do it, so you'll be logged into your account. So unfortunately I do not have an account with this particular ID. So when you have an account with the particular ID, you just enter in that and you'll be logged into your account successfully. So this is the way you can log into Myntra with email. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.